Objectives of the lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn about types of oxides, preparation of oxides, structure of oxides of carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur and chlorine, and reactivity, thermal stability and hydrolysis of oxides. An element. The valence shell electrons are enter into p subshell. That elements are called p black elements. These p black elements are arranged in right side of the periodic table. So group 13 to 18 group elements are called as p black elements. So here 13 group elements is called boron family, 14 group element is called carbon family, 15 group elements are called nitrogen family, and 16 group elements are called oxygen family, 17 group elements are called halogens. Last group, that is 18 group, is called zero group elements. So these elements, some are having metal characters, some are metalloids and some are non-metals. The definition of oxide is a binary compound of oxygen with another element is called an oxide. Binary compound means oxygen having two atoms. This oxygen atom, when it is combined with any other element, it forms oxides. See the example: carbon reacts with oxygen, binary oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide. And one more example is sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide. Of carbon. Carbon forms two oxides, namely carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. First one is carbon monoxide. The formula is CO. Carbon monoxide shows three resonating structure. Carbon monoxide forms coordination bonds with many metals in their low oxidation state. It also combines with hemoglobin very quickly than oxygen. The thermal stability of carbon monoxide is very high. At room temperature, carbon monoxide gives gas. The structure of carbon monoxide is a linear structure and it shows sp hybridization. When it is reacted with sodium hydroxide, it forms sodium formate. The formula of sodium formate is HCOONa. Next oxide is carbon dioxide. The formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. The structure of carbon dioxide is linear shape and sp2 hybridization. Carbon dioxide is acidic. When it is reacted with alkalis, it forms salts. It dissolves in water and forms carbonic acid. It is a weak acid. Oxides of nitrogen. Nitrogen forms a number of oxides with oxygen. Mainly 6 types of oxides are there. So these oxides name, preparation, structure and reactivity. The first oxide is nitrous oxide. Formula is N2O. When solid ammonium nitrate heated at 280 degrees centigrade, it gives the nitrous oxide. This is the first preparation. And second is ammonia is reacted with oxygen in presence of manganese dioxide and bismuth trioxide catalyst gives nitrous oxide. And the structure of nitrous oxide is linear and asymmetric. It is a neutral oxide Nitrous oxide does not react with halogens, alkali metals, and even ozone at room temperature. It relatively inert oxides of nitrogen. So the stability of nitrous oxide is high. When it is heated 600 degrees centigrade, it decomposes into nitrogen and oxygen. Nitrous does not react with water and sodium hydroxide. So it is a neutral oxide. Next oxide is nitric oxide. Formula is NO. Nitric oxide is prepared by the reduction of diluted HNO3 with copper. The structure of nitric oxide is linear. It exhibits a resonating structure. The nitric oxide is a colorless gas. It is having lone pair of electrons. Because of this lone pair of electrons, it shows paramagnetic nature. When nitric oxide hydrolysis, it gives this acid. The formula, it also reacted with halogens like chlorine. When nitric oxide reacted with the chlorine, it gives nitrosyl chloride. Formula is NOCl. Next oxide is dinitrogen trioxide. It also called as nitrogen sequioxide. Formula is N2O3. An equal amount of nitric oxide and nitrogen dioxide heated at low temperature, that is -120 degrees centigrade, it is condensing into dinitrogen trioxide. See the structure of dinitrogen trioxide and the reactivity. It is an acidic oxide. It dissolves in water to form nitrous acid. Nitrogen dioxide, formula is NO2. Preparation is when lead nitrate heated, it gives nitrogen dioxide. And the second preparation is nitric oxide heated with oxidized with oxygen, it gives nitrogen dioxide. See the structure of nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen having lone pair of electrons. So this lone pair of electrons, it shows paramagnetic nature. It also dimerizes on cooling to form dinitrogen tetroxide. Nitrogen dioxide is a reddish brown gas. Nitrogen dioxide is an oxidizing agent. See here, nitrogen dioxide oxidized carbon monoxide into carbon dioxide. Same HCl to chlorine. When it is hydrolysis with water, it gives nitric acid and nitrous acid. It is a acidic oxide because it gives, when it is hydrolysis with water, it gives nitric acid and nitrous acid. Next oxide is dinitrogen tetraoxide. Formula is N2O4. When nitrogen dioxide heated at low temperature, that is -11 degrees centigrade, it gives dinitrogen tetraoxide. See the structure of dinitrogen tetraoxide. It is dimerization into nitrogen dioxide because of unpaired electrons are present on the nitrogen. The hydrolysis of dinitrogen tetraoxide, it gives nitric acid. And next oxide is nitrogen pentaoxide. The formula of nitrogen pentaoxide is N2O5. See the structure of nitrogen pentaoxide. It contains nitrogen dioxide and nitrogen hydroxide NO2 plus and NO3 minus ions, so called as nitronium nitrate. It is a white crystalline solid. When it is heated, it decomposes into nitrogen tetroxide and oxygen. Its hydrolysis gives nitric acid. When it is reacted with water, it gives nitric acid. It also reacted with the hydroxides like sodium hydroxide. When it is reacted with sodium hydroxide, it gives sodium nitrate. Oxides of phosphorus. Phosphorus on reaction with oxygen forms two main oxides, namely phosphorus trioxide and phosphorus pentoxide. The formula of phosphorus trioxide is P4O6 and the preparation is when phosphorus is burning in limited supply of air, it gives phosphorus trioxide. So, and the properties, when it is heated above 210 degrees centigrade, it decomposes to give red phosphorus. So the formula of red phosphorus is P4O8. It is oxidized to pentoxide. Phosphorus trioxide is an acidic oxide, means when it is reacts with water, it forms phosphorus acid. The formula of phosphorus acid is H3PO3. This is the properties of phosphorus trioxide. See the structure of phosphorus trioxide, and the next oxide is phosphorus pentoxide. The formula of phosphorus pentoxide is P4O10. Burning phosphorus in excess of dry air, it gives phosphorus pentoxide. So this is the preparation of phosphorus pentoxide. Phosphorus pentoxide is more acidic in nature than phosphorus trioxide. So the acidic strength of phosphorus oxide increases due to increase in oxidation number of phosphorus atom. So if the oxidation number increases, it increases the acidic character. Next, the stability of phosphorus pentoxide is high because it reacts with water, metal, alcohol, sodium, potassium, ammonia, and it also a oxidizing agent. It also reacts with hydrogen fluoride, peroxides, and strong bases. When phosphorus pentoxide is reacted with phosphorus pentachloride, it gives phosphoryl chloride. See the structure of phosphorus pentoxide. Oxides of sulfur. When sulfur reacts with oxygen and gives number of oxides, namely sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide. See the structure, preparation, properties, and name of these oxides. First one is sulfur dioxide. Formula is SO2. When copper is heated with concentrated H2SO4, it gives sulfur dioxide. This is the preparation of sulfur dioxide. These sulfur dioxide act as Lewis base because of lone pair of electrons are present in the sulfur. See the structure, the sulfur having one lone pair of electrons, and it is a colorless poisonous gas used as oxidizing and reducing agent. Sodium hydroxide reacted with sulfur dioxide, it gives sodium bisulfate. And sulfur dioxide dissolves in water forming sulfurous acid. The formula of sulfurous acid is H2SO3. And the structure of sulfur dioxide is planar triangular, but sulfur having lone pair of electrons, because the repulsion of lone pair electrons is more than the bond pair of electron. Because of this repulsion, the structure is converted into V shape. Next oxide is sulfur trioxide. Sulfur trioxide formula is SO3. When sulfur dioxide is reacted with oxygen in presence of platinum, it gives sulfur trioxide. The properties of sulfur trioxide is it is an anhydrous product of sulfuric acid. It also decomposes when it is heated 1000 degrees centigrade. It decomposes into SO2 and oxygen. When it is hydrolysis, it gives sulfuric acid. This is acidic character and also release heat. This sulfur trioxide acts as oxidizing agent. Here sulfur trioxide is reacted with HBr. It converts the Br2. The structure of sulfur trioxide is trigonal bipyramidal. Hybridization is sp2 hybridization. Oxides of chlorine. When chlorine reacts with oxygen, it gives mainly four types of oxides. So see the name, preparation, structure and reactivity of these oxides. First oxide is dichloromonoxide, also called as chlorine monoxide. Formula is Cl2O. See the structure of chlorine monoxide, that is V shape, and it shows sp2 hybridization. And the reactivity, it is a yellowish red gas when it decomposes explosively. It is an active oxidizing agent. When it is reacted with water, it gives hypochlorous acid. The formula of hypochlorous acid is HOCl. And the next oxide is chlorine dioxide. See the structure of chlorine dioxide. It shows paramagnetic nature because of unpaired of electrons, and it is a yellow gas, explore violently. It is a powerful oxidizing and chlorinating agent. The power of bleaching is 13 times more than chlorine. When it is reacted with anhydrates like sodium hydroxide, it gives chlorous and chloric acids. And the next oxide is dichlorohexaoxide. Formula is Cl2O6. When chlorine dioxide is reacted with ozone, it gives dichlorohexaoxide. This is the preparation of dichlorohexaoxide. See the structure of dichlorohexaoxide. In liquid state, it exits diamagnetic, and in gaseous state, it exits paramagnetic. It is red in color and highly explosive and unstable liquid. Dichlorohexaoxide is a strong oxidizing agent. When it is reacted with alkalis, it forms mixture of chlorate and perchlorate. And next oxide is dichloroheptaoxide. Formula is Cl2O7. Dehydration of pure perchloric acid, it gives dichloroheptaoxide. The stability of dichloroheptaoxide is high, most stable. It is an exothermic oxide of chlorine. When it is reacted with water, it gives perchloric acid. See the structure of dichloroheptaoxide. In this, 2 ClO3 units are there. Each chlorine is tetrahedrally linked to 4 oxygen atoms. So these are the oxides of p black elements. This is most important for your exam point of view. So please subscribe and like.